Hello friends, I welcome you all to my new video.
The Volkswagen Polo All-Star Petrol variant comes with a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engine that produces a maximum power of 75 bhp. This variant has adequate power for daily city usage and weekend highway trips. This variant is not for keen drivers expecting great performance. Today, let's do a 0 to 100 normal drive test. I am not going to rev the engine hard. I am going to change the gear at the right time. So this is definitely not a speed test or an acceleration test. In my opinion, 90% of the people will drive the car only in this way.
It took 40 seconds for me to reach 100 km per hour from 0 km per hour.
In conclusion, the Petrol MPI variant is an excellent family car for daily commute. It has a good performance for day-to-day usage in my opinion. If you expect a very good performance, then have a look at the diesel TDI variant. If you are a keen driver who expects great performance, please have a look at the Polo GT.
Please hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Please hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. Also, please share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Happy motoring.